In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unsubscribe from a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. So the first step is to open up the YouTube app. Then you want to tap on the search icon, which is right over there, and then search for the channel. So I'll just go ahead and fill in my channel real quick. So it popped up there. Tap on it. Now you will see the channel at the top with the latest videos underneath that. Go ahead and tap on the channel, and right over here you can see it says subscribed. If you just go ahead and tap on that, it's going to ask you unsubscribe from the channel. Tap on unsubscribe, and now you have unsubscribed. And another way to unsubscribe from a channel is if you're watching one of their videos and then it's going to have the video playing, you can pause the video, and then underneath that it says the channel name, and if you're subscribed it's going to say subscribed, and then you can tap on it to unsubscribe and then confirm the unsubscription. So that is how you unsubscribe from a YouTube channel on the mobile app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.